How to remove powered by Shopify at the bottom of your store. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and then navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. And from the sales channels section, click on online store. Let me show you this powered by Shopify where it's located. If we visited your store and preview it, this is test store. You can see that it's located at the bottom right here, where it says 2022 copyrights 2022 my store powered by Shopify. So if you want to remove that, all what you need to do is, let's go back to the previous page, and once you click on your store, from the sales channel section, click on themes, and now you need to scroll down to the core and theme section, and from the drop down menu, click on it, the actions menu, click on edit languages. Using the search bar, search for powered by powered by, and scroll down to links. As you can see, powered by here, click on the text field, and here you have basically some options that you can use. You can either leave space for it to disappear completely, or you can type in whatever text you want and it will be shown instead of powered by Shopify. I want to hide it, so I will leave it blank space like this. And once you're done, click on the save button at the top right of the screen and your changes will be saved. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete the powered by Shopify at the bottom of your store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.